morning, everyone. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Today, we're going to start a new topic. We're going to talk about what a career is. Do you know what a career is? That's okay if you don't. I'm going to tell you. A career is the job that you want to have when you're older, that you want to do for a long time. My career is being your school counselor. At our school, there are plenty of different careers. There are lots of teachers. Mr. Wooden's career is a principal. Ms. Garcia's career is being the assistant principal. Ms. Ward and Ms. Becker's career are being our secretaries. Nurse Vicky's career is being our nurse. You can choose any career that you would like. There might even be ones that haven't even been invented yet. But you have to start to think, what are things you like to do? I like helping people, and I like listening. So my career is being a school counselor. Let's think about what you like to do. When I was your age, I wanted to be a veterinarian, and part of the time I wanted to be an astronaut. So it's okay if you change your mind a lot. I'm going to show you a video. It's about two students that are exploring different careers, and they're thinking about what they want to be. I hope you enjoy.
Harry and Amy were the best of friends, and brother and sister too. They both loved to play, to share and to dance. Oh, such fun things to do. On Monday, Miss Roberts set out to us with an order from job well done, and Friday proved the whole of the day to drop the lunch from school. I was so surprised to bring him to school with the praise that all went to him. He would speak of a tune and practice it once, and realized the good in the bin. Harry and Amy went home to think the being base
So Harry and Amy's career, the choice that they chose at this moment was to be in construction because they love to build things and help people out. They helped the fire truck have water. They helped the kid who wants to build a school with all the construction materials. So you have to like what you want to do. So let me ask you, what career would be right for you? What do you want to be when you grow up? Do you want to work at a school? Do you want to work in a hospital? Do you want to work outside, inside? It's up to you. You can be anything you want to be. Well, on this Padlet that you access this video, I have a really cool game called Paul's Jobland that you can click on, and it's a virtual tour of a town, and you go on this adventure with a dog named Paul's, and he will show you all these different careers in his town. So you can click through that, and there's games with it too. So I want to know, what is a career that you never even heard of that you learned about in Paul's, with Paul's in Jobland? I also want to know what you want to be when you grow up. And I also added some fun songs if you want to look at them too. Well, I will see you guys next time. So thank you so much for learning with me today.